Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're diving into the world of DeLonghi Super-Automatic Espresso Machines today, right? Specifically, the Eletta, ASINBO, 7 Nevada 2L 9 teraliters. It's a fully automatic machine that promises barista-quality coffee at home.
Exactly. And we're pitting it against the DeLonghi Dinamica Plus Connected, ASINB08TG CTT6C. Also super automatic, but with some seriously interesting smart features. Think of it as the Eletta's tech-savvy cousin.
Let's dive in and see which one reigns supreme. Okay, first impressions. The Eletta boasts this automatic cappuccino system with their latte crema system. The claim is barista-quality cappuccinos, lattes, and more in under 3 minutes. Is that actually true?
Well, the Dinamica Plus also has the latte crema system, but it takes it a step further. It can handle regular milk and non-milk alternatives, like soy, rice, or oat milk. Plus, the milk carafe is thermal and dishwasher safe, which is a huge win.
Good point on the milk alternatives. Both machines can brew 2 cups of coffee at once, which is a must for busy mornings. But what about the beans themselves?
The Dinamica Plus has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 times adjustable settings. That's a lot of control over your grind size, which directly impacts the flavor.
The Eletta also has an integrated grinder with adjustable settings, though the exact number isn't specified. So, both let you dial in your grind, but the Dinamica Plus seems to offer more precision.
Okay, let's talk cleaning, because honestly, that can be a deal breaker.
The Eletta has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling and rinsing, and the removable components are dishwasher safe. That's pretty standard for this type of machine.
The Dinamica Plus is similar, with a removable brew unit and dishwasher safe parts. But here's where it gets interesting. The drip tray and milk carafe are also dishwasher safe. That's a huge time saver. Now for the big differentiator. The Dinamica Plus is connected. It has the DeLonghi Coffee Link app.
Okay, so what does the app actually do?
You can create and save up to 3 personalized espresso recipes in your profile. Plus, the app offers tips, tricks, and helps with machine maintenance. It's like having a barista in your pocket.
The Eletta has a touch control panel but no app connectivity, so it's more of a traditional interface.
Right, and the Dinamica Plus also has a smart one-touch system that remembers your favorite drinks and puts them first on the display. Pretty convenient.
Both machines let you adjust the water, milk, and coffee quantity, which is essential for customizing your drinks. But the Dinamica Plus has that color touch display, which looks much more modern.
One thing to note. The Eletta is slightly larger at 14.16 DX 10.2, WX 18.36H, compared to the Dinamica Plus at 9.3 DX 16.9, WX 13.7H. So if counter space is tight, the Dinamica Plus might be a better fit. Oh, and one last thing for iced coffee fans. The Dinamica Plus has an over ice button.
So it really comes down to this. Do you want a simpler, more straightforward machine with a focus on core functionality? Or are you willing to pay extra for smart features, a more modern interface, and enhanced convenience? Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.